Greetings and welcome to another one of our videos. We'd like to invite you to listen to the last of the Voice of Yoga show that aired December 1st, 2025. The topic of that episode was Secrecy, the Womb of Spiritual Life. Swami, your thoughts?
Following the realization of divine truth in consciousness comes the gestation period, where the spiritual idea abides in silence and stillness before the sanctification reveals the birth of the Messiah.
Looking to be born again and understand spiritual life? Listen to the podcast. Visit the website www.ipdtransform.com. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful Kriyoga realization. Namaste.
Namaste.
Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamidam